Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video we're going to talk about the healing properties of gold, the mineral gold, and also a little bit about its formation, about its history, and also about the sourcing of gold, just in brief, but we're mostly going to focus on the healing uses throughout history of gold. So if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. This will help to be letting you know of when each video is published. So let's start off. Gold is a very radiant and warm and bright color. It represents the sun, and this precious, wonderful metal has been used as a setting for jewels, for gemstones, for crystals since the beginning of humankind, and it's very attractive as well. So it's really a rare and noble metal. When it comes to its chemical symbol, it's Au, which comes from orium, which is the Latin word for gold, and it's very soft. It can be beaten into fine leaves, and 28 grams can make a gold wire 80 kilometers in length. Just a fun fact right there. When it comes to the sourcing of gold, it's extensively mined in areas like Canada, Colorado, Mexico, and California. When it comes to the history of the usage of gold, how it was actually used and how it came to be used as a wonderful addition to our jewelry, well, the examples of gold jewelry can be found and dating back thousands of years. The art of smelting and working gold has been produced by the Egyptians, the Sumerians, the South Americans. Also, it can be found in its historical artifacts. It's also been traditionally used as a symbol of nobility and royalty, and also coming to its healing properties of gold, how it was used for its healing powers since the ancient times. Well, it's seen as cleansing to the whole body, but particularly to the area of the brain and the nervous system. It's thought to the thought of wearing gold has been thought to help to attract positive energy and abundance. It has also been used for its healing properties, because gold is used to help with relieving problems with rheumatoid arthritis, ulcers, and also helping to repair damaged tissue in surgery as well. These were the main healing properties of gold. If you have enjoyed today's video, like, share, and subscribe. I would love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.